Good evening. This is Anushka Basu, and you are watching In Shots at 7 pm on Democratic 365. Today's news headlines are: Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Tomar on Friday said farmers are being misled that their land would be grabbed due to new farm laws. Tomar further said the farmers are being instigated and that the protest against the three laws are limited to only one state. The Supreme Court on Friday granted interim bail to stand-up comic Munawar Farooqui in a case pertaining to him making insulting comments against Hindu gods during a show in Indore. The AIA-DMK government in Tamil Nadu on Friday announced waiver of Rs 12,110 crore farm loans availed by 16.43 lakh farmers from cooperative banks. Chief Minister Edapi K. Palaniswamy said the scheme would come into immediate effect and the required financial allocation would be made by his government. In one of the largest employee stock ownership plans by a startup, payments major PhonePe has issued shares worth over $200 million to all its staff across all levels, including freshers. The Reserve Bank of India on Friday decided to keep key lending rates unchanged in its February policy review meeting, while it projected a GDP growth rate of 10.5% for the financial year 2021-22 on the back of recovery in economic activities. Pfizer Inc. has withdrawn an application for emergency use authorization of its COVID-19 vaccine in India that it has developed with Germany's BioNTech, the company told Reuters on Friday. In line with the union budget, the Reserve Bank of India on Friday projected a GDP growth rate of 10.5% for the financial year beginning April 1, on the back of recovery in economic activities. RBI Governor Shaktikant Das said the growth outlook has improved significantly and the vaccination drive will help the economic rebound. The Allahabad High Court, with a sanctioned strength of 160 judges, is functioning with just 96 of them. In the Bombay High Court, out of sanctioned strength of 94 judges, 30 are lying vacant. The situation is alarming in Calcutta High Court, where 38 of 72 judge posts are vacant. Allahabad High Court has nearly 10 lakh pendency, Bombay High Court 4.5 lakh, and Calcutta High Court has 2.3 lakh pending cases. Tune in for more such headlines every evening at 7 pm here on Democratic 365.